Good morning, folks. It's me, Jayanth, again, and this is my second part of a series of three where I describe about my projects that I've created during my internship at Oasis Infobyte. So this second one is about building a personal portfolio. Where portfolio is basically a website about yourself, about you, about your background, and about your achievements, and about your projects, what you have done, and maybe some AMAs and your contact section. That's vital to any personal portfolio website, so that you could improve your connections and stuff. All right. So okay. So without further ado, let me just put in back in split screen and yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, it's here. And as I mentioned earlier in the previous video, all of my websites are built from scratch with the help of Bootstrap framework. It's a multi-versatile framework, and it's got a lot of features that are truly impressive, and it saves a lot of time, and it's super efficient. One of the main features I love about Bootstrap is its native responsiveness code. Like you just have to focus on the features of the website. Like, let's say this image here, I just placed this image and this font and some on others, and Bootstrap takes care about the rest, like you know scaling to fit on different aspect ratios on different devices with different viewports and different widths. Let's say a phone has kind of a different width when compared to a tablet and compared to a laptop. So Bootstrap takes care about the rest, so allowing us to focus on the features and the design of a website. I love that. Okay, so here I know the header section looks a bit big because this time I would have since I have hosted this website, I wanted to make this make this available on Google. To I want this portfolio website to be indexed by search engines, by the crawlers, bot crawlers at Google and Bing. So I've added a lot of meta properties, name, and along with that a screenshot card, an open graph protocol. That's everything. And these are non-functional, and these are only required if your website has to be indexed by search bots at Google and Bing. Okay, so then let's cut to the main part here. This is the nav bar. Like a nav bar is crucial for every website, and that makes the structure of a website. And for my personal website, I always prefer a minimalistic design, and I include that design principles in all of my websites. So you look at this my personal portfolio, and at this my landing page, and even my temperature calculator. All of these focuses on one vital thing: minimalistic features. I just want the functional features to be present, the core features to be present, and I don't give much focus to the other stuff, because they killed my time and they kill my efficiency. And I'm a huge fan of the minimalistic culture, so that I've incorporated in all of my websites. Okay, so that's that. Okay, then let's come to the portfolio. Okay, so here is my website, and this is navbar, and I have added a CSS class named sticky top. The word sticky top refers to this being stuck at the top. While I scroll the website, it doesn't go up and still shows up, and this is a common feature in many of the websites available these days. And this design is also a CSS class, and I would have added it under this BD gutter and this BD masthead. These two CSS classes are responsible for bringing this gradient design behind my hero section. Okay, so here is this. I would always like to introduce myself along with a brief story. So here's that, a brief introduction about me. This is something blah blah. I would have talked about my childhood and about my interest and what piqued the most, that I'm currently in the field of technology. And I'm a big and avid fan of Elon Musk, so I never forget to put in his quotes. He's a really good person, that is a visionary, truly. Okay, so let's cut the stuff. And like when I reloaded this website, you could have seen a fade in transition, right? And that's possible because of just a CSS class and it's not JS. And you see this one, and this style animation fade in 2 seconds. This CSS class is responsible for this fade in, so it makes the look up, it improves the aesthetics. All right. So next is about, okay, so this is the hero section, and then this is about me, myself, and next I would have made use of bootstrap cards and listed all of my projects here. So okay, then it's about frequently asked AMAs about me. I would like to uh, you know express my feelings and my thoughts about the world to anyone who visits this website. So, and yeah, finally, like for any personal portfolio website, it's important that we have a contact section so that they could contact us via or any of these available media links. So this is my personal portfolio, which I've built using Bootstrap and normal plain HTML and JS. So yeah, this was my task 2 of level 1 of my web development internship at Oasis Infobyte. Thank you.